Hello everybody, welcome back to Jason's Top Garage. So in this video, we're doing all pictures, and we have a little project here. It's an old implement seat that I picked up at auction. Got the thing for about 18 bucks, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion. So yeah, I went ahead and got this thing because I figured it's cheap enough, kind of a neat little project. I had no idea what I was going to do with it, but I ended up fix it up, which is what we're going to do in this video. I do apologize for having actually video footage. I just did all pictures just because it's easier to do that in between working on it. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so to start off, this is after I brought it back, had it setting up on the workbench. The other picture was from the website where I got it. Anyway, so this is it on the workbench where I took it apart. It wasn't bad taking it apart, really. Just pretty much loosen the one nut and bolt and pops right out, which is really, really nice. And there it is, all taken apart. Now you can tell the seat's kind of rusted up a little bit, so is the spring. The nut and bolt was in pretty good condition. There's a little bit of rust on there, but, you know, no big deal, whatever. That's going to be on most things like that. Especially if it's an old tractor implement seat and it's set outside a lot, it's going to rust some. And underneath it looked pretty good. You know, you can tell by the paint and everything, kind of fade and everything. But for the most part, it was in really, really good condition, I'm going to say. It turned out really nice in the end, but I'm not going to spoil it for anybody. So I used an angle grinder with the wire wheel to clean everything off, except for the nut and bolt. For that, I used the bench grinder with the wire wheel on it. But this is what it looked like afterwards. It does look really, really smooth in this picture. But pictures are a little bit deceiving. It's not perfect, but you know, it's good enough for me. It works good. I still have some ideas in my head what I'm going to do with this. I'm not going to let anyone know yet because I don't want to do like a spoiler or nothing. But I might have a project coming up with this. Some of you may figure it out, some of you may not. Comment down below what you think I might do with this. But anyway, so I decided to go ahead and paint it the true colors that I love, and that is right here, John Deere green and yellow, with the black nut and bolt to kind of set everything off. So yeah, I did the seat in a John Deere green. I didn't get actual name brand John Deere, just something from like Lowe's, something like that. And the yellows, again, not really an actual John Deere yellow, but it looks close enough. I'm going to call it John Deere. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. This is all back together. It does look kind of shiny in that picture. It's not quite that shiny. I mean, it is kind of a little bit of a glossy finish. But I think it turned out really, really nice. I mean, the paint job isn't perfect. You know, it's not like from a dealership or nothing. But it works good enough for me. And like I said, the project I have coming up for it should be kind of neat. So yeah, here's what it looked like from the auction place. Then here's what it looked like after I got it tore apart and cleaned up. And then the last picture is what it looks like when it's all done. So yeah, this is probably not one of my best videos, not really long. But just kind of wanted to do a little video for this week. I'll have a regular video up hopefully next week, if not the week after. But yeah, let me know what you think of this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, hit the notification bell button. And I'll see you on the next one on Jason's Top Garage. Thanks for watching.